Hey kids, thank you for joining Mr. Oopie's Art and Craft. Today, we are going to be making a rock creation, and you can be as creative as you like. Before we begin, we're going to need a few items. Rock, chalkboard, or if you don't have a chalkboard, a piece of paper. Pipe cleaners, glue, scissors, paper, chalk or a pen. Remember, you can stop the video at any time. Let's have fun! It's time to look for our rock. You can go look for a rock in your backyard, or in a park, or in a creek. Oh, there's mine. That looks really good. We are ready to begin. Get your chalkboard and rock, and your chalk, and trace around the rock. Again, you can use a piece of paper and a pen. Now, draw a shape, any kind you like. Could be a square, triangle, hexagon. I'm going to draw a triangle. Now, make a mark, any kind of mark on the chalkboard, using a different colour chalk. I'm going to draw an X. Now, think about whether your creature has arms, legs, or is it from the sea, and draw it. I might draw legs. You can copy me if you like. Great! I would like my creature to have eyes. Let's draw some eyes. Excellent! Now we have one spare space on our chalkboard. You can draw anything you like that is going to define your character. I'm going to draw a mouth and some teeth. Now all the things that are on the chalkboard we are going to create, then add on the rock. First up, let's look in our art and craft container. I'm looking for some googly eyes. Next, I'm going to cut out a triangle and place it on the chalkboard. And I'm going to place the rock on the tracing I made. Now, I've got my pipe cleaners. I'm going to measure to see how long the pipe cleaner is and make it in the shape of an X. I am going to twist them round so they stay in an X formation. Well done! Next, we're going to have to make the legs with our pipe cleaner. You can just copy Mr. Oopie if you have made the same, or you can do your own. As you can see, Mr. Oopie had to cut a separate pipe cleaner for the middle leg and twist it in the middle. Now we're going to draw a mouth and our teeth. Cut it out. And place it on your drawing. Great! Next, we're going to add some white teeth. I'm using adhesive paper, which has a stickiness on the back, or you can use a normal piece of paper and put some glue on it. There we are, and stick the teeth on. Now, let's remove all the items off the chalkboard. And we're going to start making our rock creation. This is going to be fun. Oh, first up, get your glue and glue the eyes on the rock. Now glue the back of the mouth and add it on the rock. Glue the back of the triangle. Let's make that its hat. Let's place the legs at the back of the rock to see how it's going to look. It almost looks like an octopus. Glue your X creation, and you can place that on the front of the rock. Time to put the legs on. Put glue on the back of the rock. And hold the pipe cleaner down for about 10 seconds each, or even longer. There we are. I think mine is an octopus. What is your rock creation? Mr. Oopie wonders what you created. Feel welcome to take a photo and send it in to Mr. Oopie. Until next time, it's bye for now from Mr. Oopie. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share.